Every year I tell my students, theory is not enough,
They graduate with the degree.
but not the skills companies are actually looking for.
We study EV systems the whole semester from books, but we've never even touched a real EV panel.
Our lab equipment is like 10 years old. Companies ask about hands-on projects. हमें कुछ दिखाने के लिए होता ही नहीं था.
That's exactly why I reached out to SkyySkill Labs. Now our students train on real EV powertrains, real diagnostic tools, and tools, proper industry-grade setup.
Last month, a company came for placements, and I could actually explain what I'd built with my hands.
This project automates the entire sync process. We reduced latency by 40%.
Impressive. That's exactly what we need.
ये वही था जो recruiters ढूंढ रहे थे.
SkyySkill Labs, where classrooms catch up to careers.